Welcome to the how-to video for installing Quartus 13.0. First thing we need to do is follow the link to the Intel Quartus website and go to the 13.0 SB1 file. Next thing we need to do is go ahead and click on the download for the Windows installer. It's best to install everything with a multiple download. Here in Canvas, I'm going to follow the link to the Quartus software. Go to the Intel site, go to the 13.0, and then I'm going to hit the download, multiple download, and I'm going to save the file to somewhere you could find it, desktop or download. Next thing we need to do is search for and download and install a RAR file extractor. And here's a list of those. I'll give you some links and get it installed. Here I'm at my desktop with our file. I'm going to use WinZip to open this up. And I'm going to open it, and it should set up all the files. Once our files are extracted, let's go to the folder and just use the setup batch file, and it should go ahead and set everything up with all of our drivers. And we should end up with our program set up and ready to go.